So this is a quick walkthrough of how you can use a free piece of software called Audacity in order to compare your singing against some teaching tracks. Make sure you're singing the right notes at the right time. And the first thing you'll need is Audacity. If you haven't got it already, it's free. Just go to audacityteam.org, choose the right version for whatever your hardware setup is, get it downloaded, and when you open it up you get a window something like this. Next we have to get some audio in, and the beauty of the Audacity system is it will accept all sorts of different formats, including it will accept video formats. So I happen to be using some tutorial things based on videos, so I'm going to drag this video here which somebody recorded as a guide track. Here it goes in. You'll notice it's just taken the audio, it doesn't bother about the video, and then I've recorded myself on my phone singing against it. And there's lots of ways to get stuff from your phone onto your computer, and as you can see the waveforms there's some quite distinctive bits at the start here, but it'd be nicer if we could zoom in. So we'll go up to the top here and there's a zoom in tool here, and that will allow us to really see what those things are doing. So there's some distinctive waveforms at the start. I'm going to pick up the time shift tool here from the toolbar, and it's obvious that we need to drag this one along and get those things lined up. And if I click up here and let it play, we'll be able to see just how closely aligned they are, and then it's a matter of going through it, listening, shifting, listening, and get the fine-tuning done. So that's how to align the tracks up. Now just get rid of those, and the next thing we can do is another little trick you can try is you can actually, I'm going to get the 2 copies this time of my singing in. There's the first one, and then another one exactly the same. So obviously these will be perfectly aligned. And what we're going to do is, I'm going to use, again, got my cursor tool, I'm going to double click all this, and that's highlighted one of the tracks, and then I'm going to go to Effect and come down to gsnap, which I'll explain in a moment. And I've set this up so it's a moderate set of settings. You can try it being a bit gentler with your auto tuning, or you can be aggressive with your auto tuning. And if you apply it, here it goes, and then close that window. It's changed the waveform slightly, but when you play it back it's very revealing that when you're in tune it'll be singing along nicely with you. When you go out of tune it's very obvious that the auto tune version really points it up, so it's a good thing. Perhaps if you've got a sustained note and you're just wobbling off it a little bit, it'll really point that out to you. So that's come from a site called gvst.co.uk, and there's the links there for the Audacity and for the gsnap site. Hope that's some use to somebody, and that's the end.